What's up guys? Last year Xiaomi released Mi 10 Ultra to celebrate 10-year anniversary. But Mi 10 Ultra was not enough to justify the word Ultra yet because it comes with just Full HD Plus display and no IP rating. And this year Mi 11 Ultra fixed every missing feature from last year and become the most complete flagship smartphone and capable to compete with other flagship in the market right now. This is the Chinese version. So in the box there is a phone, a TPU case and SIM eject tool, no charger brick and no charger cable. The same as iPhone and Samsung did as well. Okay, let's talk about the build quality. Look at the phone on the front side. It is the same as Mi 11. The same display, 6.8 inch with high resolution up to Quad HD. This screen is amazing with 15 pixel density. I really like it so much. I set the screen to 1440p and 120Hz refresh rate. So my screen experience is very smooth. We can bump up the brightness up to 1700 nits, which is the highest brightness one in the market. It is brighter than Galaxy S21 Ultra. The screen also protected by Gorilla Glass Victus, so it's hard to break. The screen has a tiny bezel and punch hole on the top left side, the same as Mi 11. There is a fingerprint sensor under display, which works fast and consistent. It recognizes my finger all the time. So the beautiful display plus stereo speaker that tuned by Harman Kardon are completely the same Mi 11, except the back side that make the phone different and unique design. The back cover made from ceramic, which is smooth and fingerprint magnet, and also make the phone feel heavy as well. This is a phone with biggest camera bump in the world. It's big because of 3 big camera sensors plus an OLED screen. The OLED screen is taken from Mi Band 5 display. We can set the screen to show the time, date, and you can still see the information when you flip the phone down on the table. But we also need to tap twice to wake the screen up. The screen could show time, date, battery percentage, personal signature, or photo as well. It is cool, eh? Another cool feature is we can use this tiny screen as a viewfinder to take a selfie from the rear camera. It is good to do that because we can take high-resolution photo from the rear camera by pressing the volume button or a timer. I can see whether I am in a good frame or not, but I can't see my face because the screen is so tiny. Just smile and take the shot, it's done. But the limitation is we can only use the screen in photo mode. Yes, we can use any lens, the main one, the ultra-wide lens, also the telephoto one. But when we switch to portrait mode to get the bokeh effect or video mode, it doesn't work. So if you want to take the portrait photo, you need to use the front-facing camera as normal. I wish we can utilize more features from this tiny screen. I hope the software update will bring more features to this tiny rear display. So Xiaomi this year upgrade all the premium material to this Mi 11 Ultra, such as AMOLED display with 2K resolution plus 120Hz refresh rate, which protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The back cover built from ceramic that feels strong and premium. The stereo speaker tuned by Harman Kardon. And the phone also certified IP68 water and dust resistant that can survive up to 1.5 meter in 30 minutes. So those features and build material is killing Galaxy S21 Ultra. Okay, I don't go far from this huge camera module. Mi 11 Ultra comes with huge sensor. The main sensor is 50 megapixel f2. This lens have OIS to have to stabilize the shot. This is the biggest smartphone camera sensor in the market right now. It is GN2 sensor from Samsung. It is big. It is 1 on 1.12. It is bigger than Galaxy S21 Ultra sensor and also bigger than Huawei Mate 40 Pro sensor size. Big sensor have advantage of taking good photo and work better in low light. It produces shallow depth of field. Like some close shot, it have a nice bokeh without using portrait mode. And every shot look good and some shot also blur on the edge of the object. It is normal thanks to the big sensor. And the dynamic range work fine but not great. The second lens is 48 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide lens. The color is also similar with the main lens for outdoor shot because it have a small aperture f2.2, so it is a bit dark in low light. This ultra wide lens also works as a macro feature, but it's not so close to the subject. For me, I don't call it macro mode, but it's good to have. Another one is 48 megapixel f4.1 periscope 5x lens that could digital zoom up to 120x. But in my case, 5x and 10x work very good, and zoom more than that will start to lose quality. Xiaomi put the number 120x because it's better than Galaxy S21 Ultra that can zoom up to 100x. But it's just a number because Samsung have two telephoto lens, a short range 3x lens and another long range 10x zoom lens. And more than 10x is a digital zoom, but for Xiaomi case, the digital zoom starts after 5x zoom. So I think Galaxy S21 Ultra work better in zoom quality. The front-facing camera is 20 megapixel f2.2. It takes good and bright photo, but the dynamic range is not so great. The phone capable of recording 8K 24 frames, and we can record from all three lenses. It's cool, and 4K 30 frames and 60 frames per second. As Xiaomi added a lot of useful features in Pro mode, we can use lock profile in case you want to do color grade in post. Focus picking show the focus area and audio zoom as well. This should be a Pro feature that we always need in case we want to use Pro mode. The quality of 4K video 60 frames per second is good and stable thanks to the 4-axis OIS. I quickly mention about the spec. Mi 11 Ultra comes with Snapdragon 888, 8GB or 12GB of RAM, and fast storage 256 or 512GB, support 5G, and packed with Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, the same as Galaxy S21 Ultra. So based on the spec, the phone is crazy smooth, every finger swipe. The score from Antutu benchmark is 6500,000. Not bad at all, but it feels hot very quickly while testing benchmark and gaming. And this Chinese UI is so bad. If you got the global version 1, it's far better. Mi 11 Ultra packed with 5000 mAh battery, the same as Galaxy S21 Ultra, but it charges faster. We can charge up to 67 watts. The company claimed that they can full charge in 39 minutes, but in my case, I spent an hour to full charge. The wireless charge also support up to 67 watts as well, but I have the slow standard charging power bank. Mi 11 Ultra also support reversible charge up to 10 watts. And in my use experience, we can use 6 hours on screen and we can use up to 1 full day. The phone drains very fast in camera mode and gaming as well. Thank you for sticking with me till the end of the video. Mi 11 Ultra costs $1,099. The phone packed with very premium hardware, and you got the best screen and high resolution, premium body design, and also protected by IP68 as well. Thank you and talk to you in the next video.